Dental prosthetics, creating natural-looking replacement teeth. In the case of dental prosthetics, the aim is to design dental prosthetics that do not just perform well, but also appear like they are completely natural. The past was when dental prosthetics could have earned an unpopular reputation of appearing unnatural or standing out from other parts of the smile. But, thanks to advances in materials and technology, the dental prosthetics of today can be designed to blend perfectly with the teeth of a person, resulting in an appearance that's not noticeable from the real thing. The secret to creating realistic-looking replacement teeth is the material used as well as the expertise of the dentist making them. The past was when dental prosthetics were typically constructed from ceramics or acrylic. These materials may appear fake and do not have the transparency and feel that natural teeth have. But modern prosthetics for dental use are made of zirconia-based materials that closely resemble the appearance that natural teeth have. They aren't just robust and durable, but they are additionally highly attractive, which allows for prosthetic teeth to blend effortlessly with the smile of a person. Alongside the material employed, the expertise of the dentist who creates dental prosthetics is essential to achieve a natural outcome. Dentists who are experts in prosthetics possess the expertise and experience to design prosthetic teeth that do not just perform well, but look like they are natural. They are attentive to the details such as the size, shape, and shade of prosthetic teeth to ensure that they are in line with the rest of one's smile, and also enhance the overall appearance. A key element in the creation of realistic-looking dental prosthetics is the method that is used in the creation of the prosthetics. The past was when dental prosthetics were typically constructed using conventional methods such as wax molds that can be lengthy and inaccurate. But the latest dental technology allows the design of dental prosthetics with digital scanning and the CAD/CAM technique. This allows the development of extremely accurate and exact prosthetic teeth that are perfectly suited to a patient's mouth and perfectly with the natural teeth. In general, dental prosthetics have made significant progress in terms of appearance and functionality. Through the use of modern material, the expertise of dentists, as well as advanced technology, it's now feasible to design dental prosthetics that do not just appear natural, but perform exactly like the real ones. If you're in need of replacing your teeth, make sure you find dentists who specialize in prosthetics. They can design natural-looking teeth that can increase your smile as well as the overall health of your mouth. Dental prosthetics have advanced significantly through time, which has allowed for the development of dental prosthetics that look natural and functional. Utilizing modern materials, the expertise of dentists, as well as advanced technology, it's today possible to design dental prosthetics that fit perfectly with the smile of a person, improving the appearance of their teeth and improving overall well-being. If you're in need of replacing teeth, make sure you talk to a dentist that specializes in prosthetics so you can get the most effective results.